I can't wait to meet my brother.
Yeah, what's with all the pigs?
Okay, nice pig. Yeah! No, that's my private part. Oh, this pig has issues. My brother!
Drew!
Drew! Yeah.
After all of these years, finally I'm meeting you.
Yep. All right, good.
Oh, look at that.
Margot, oh, you are so mature. I'm guessing, what, you 15?
15?
She's 12.
Edith!
I can tell that you are a little mischievous. We're gonna have to make a little trouble later.
Well, I already have.
Ow! 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 Please! Stop! Why are you doing that?